zoom over here first. Hi.
Lindsay's going to do a slip and slide. She's 11 years old. It's Garrett's slip and slide, but here goes Lindsay. Okay, Garrett, your turn.
When we talk and that.
Yeah, after you go. I want to see you do the slip and slide. Try again.
Mommy, my thing. If I go down.
Okay, Garrett, start there. Okay, run.
Come on, Dipper.
Yay! Yep. Good job, Garrett. Here comes Lindsay. He kind of gets stuck. Uh-oh, here comes Lindsay.